After a relatively stable trend in COVID-19 cases, India is again recording a rise in infections dominated by the Omicron variant. A total of 58,000 fresh COVID-19 cases were reported in the country in the last 24 hours. This is a 55% jump in cases in just one day. The World Health Organization chief scientist has said that the next 2 weeks are extremely crucial for India in its fight against the latest phase of COVID-19, as health systems could get overwhelmed. Meanwhile, scientists from across the country are also voicing similar concerns. According to scientists from the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, the number of Omicron cases in India's west coast city Mumbai could peak in the next 10 days, that is from the 6th of January to the 13th. The scientists further said that it will take a month for the cases to come down, with the peak in fatalities being witnessed in the first week of February. India has been witnessing an increase in the number of Omicron cases. It recorded a total of 1,400 cases on the 1st of January and 1,700 cases of the latest variant on the 3rd of January. Meanwhile, as on date, India has recorded a total of 2,135 cases of the Omicron variant. Meanwhile, the number of COVID-19 cases in India has gone up by 6 times in just 9 days. On the 28th of December, the country reported 9,000 cases, while on the 1st of January, it reported 20,000 COVID-19 cases, which rose to 58,000 cases on the 5th of January. The maximum number of COVID-19 cases reported in India's western state of Maharashtra, followed by India's eastern state West Bengal and the country's national capital. The daily positivity rate in India standing at 4.18%, with the total number of 1.47 billion doses of vaccine administered. India recently commenced its vaccination drive for teenagers aged 15 to 18 years. Meanwhile, India's Union Health Ministry has issued revised guidelines for home isolation of mild and asymptomatic COVID-19 patients. In a statement released, the ministry says, and I'm quoting, "Patient under home isolation will stand discharged and end isolation after at least 7 days have passed from testing positive and no fever for three consecutive days, successive days," further emphasizing on how there is no need for retesting after the home isolation period is over. With the COVID-19 cases rising in the country, several states have imposed restrictions like night curfew. However, early data suggesting that despite the high transmissibility of the Omicron variant, the latest variant appears to be less severe than the previous variants. And for more on these developments, we earlier spoke to Dr. Jayaprakash Mulil, India's foremost epidemiologist and chairman of the Scientific Advisory Committee of the National Institute of Epidemiology.
I have a feeling it is inevitable. And even in India, where the numbers are coming down, suddenly the rise has started. And this is consistent with the theory that there is a new person in the attacking us, and it will prevail. Now, the good news is that it is not as virulent as the previous visitors.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.